Hi everyone, welcome back, glad you could be here. Today I'm making a wreath in honour of Pride Month. I'll be using my glue gun and these 3 headbands that I got from Five Below. They were $2 a piece. A small sponge applicator and a small roller, which is not really necessary, but I do like to use it. Some rainbow ribbon, which I think came from Hobby Lobby, and these galvanised hearts which come in a pack of 3 from the Dollar Tree, and some scrapbook paper. This was 69 cents for a sheet, and a pizza pan also from the Dollar Tree. Deco Art holographic glitter, matte finish Mod Podge, scissors, and of course a cup of tea. The headbands just need to be straightened out a little to fit better to the shape of the pizza pan. This sheet of paper is a 12 by 12 and it fits really well on the pizza pan. I'm just centering it and then scoring it with the edge of the scissors. And this gives me a really nice clear line so that I can see where I need to cut. It doesn't need to be perfect, as the headband flowers are going to cover the edges anyway. This glitter needs to be applied in many thin layers, although the layers do dry very quickly. I don't know if it will show on screen, but this glitter is really pretty. 3 of these headbands worked out just perfectly for the size of the pizza pan. One of the biggest challenges with this particular wreath was the fact that it has straight lines. So I'm using the printed line on the paper as a guide for placement of the ribbon. I'm positioning the first headband so that a flower falls in the centre at the top. Then just a dab of hot glue on the back of each flower. As the glue is setting, I'm just manipulating the headband into the edge of the pizza pan so that it retains a nice, neat circular shape. I love how this turned out. It's so colourful and so bright and happy. It's also very lightweight, so you could hang this almost anywhere. Just be mindful, because it's made using paper, you would have to be careful of moisture. One final layer of glitter, because hey, we all need extra sparkle in our lives, right? And that's it, it's finished. I really hope you love this as much as I do, and I do hope you try this yourself. Let me know in the comments below how this project turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more projects like this in the future. See you next time.